Why am I detained?
Okay.
Why?
May 15th, 2025. Orlando International Airport. We are dealing with two sisters who have been kicked off a plane for being intoxicated and disruptive. But instead of leaving quietly, they decide to turn the jet bridge into a boxing ring. They claim anxiety, they claim their dad works for the PBA, and they claim they are the real victims. But the witnesses, and the scratches on the flight attendant, tell a very different story. Before we get to the incident, I want you to like the video without beating around the bush. It's really the easiest thing you can do. Literally.
I can't, I'm literally, I can't, literally can't.
Okay.
I would stay over here. I have anxiety.
She has anxiety
and depression.
Do you need medical attention?
Yes.
Is it possible you can get off on the way for mid-20s? She's having hyperventilation problems. Conscious breathing.
There's a cop here right now.
Okay, stay right here.
Alright, I will. I can't, my dad's, my whole, like, you don't even say that.
Right in front of...
Yeah, that guy pushed her to the ground and she fell.
Let me get everything situated.
Right, yes.
Okay, because everybody's yelling, everybody's talking to only one person.
I graduated. She graduated tomorrow, so she's just trying to get home.
Do you have an ID?
We have video.
You have an ID?
Yeah. We have video. We have video and yeah.
Good ID.
Relax. I'm good ID. She's got so much anxiety too, so maybe you better talk to me. I'm literally...
You stay here. Don't say anything. Don't do anything.
I want my dad. Give me your ID. Here. She did not do anything wrong. I'm telling you.
And who is she to you?
She's my sister.
Okay. And you are?
That's my aunt. My dad works for the...
Relax.
Doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
My whole thing is, where exactly did all this occur? Is
No, wait.
Right.
We were on a plane. She had to use the bathroom.
And they asked her, they go, are you intoxicated? She goes, yeah, I had a few drinks. And that was it.
Okay.
Do you have a boarding pass or anything?
Yes, she does.
Can I see it?
Yeah, where's the boarding pass?
Wait a minute.
I told her she's got really bad anxiety, so you gotta let her come home. I'm literally shaking.
Just lean against that for me.
Okay, wait a minute.
You want me to go against her?
Yeah, just lean against
Stay
that.
right there. Listen to what he says.
You have a boarding pass?
Yeah, they gave us one because they put us next
That's
to
fine.
each
I
other.
just
I
still
want
need
that.
documents.
I want that.
You're fine.
You good?
The flight attendant, I pushed her. The man pushed me. You said it because he was gay, it's fine.
No.
What does the flight attendant look like?
Okay.
He's a man and he has dark hair and he's...
Was that at gate 13?
Yes.
Did the incident happen here or? Go ahead.
Are any of your subjects there going to need medical?
10-4 so far. We have one and possibly another. Give me 1 second. Do you need medical attention?
Yeah.
How old are you?
26.
10-4. I have another one. She's 26. Leg pain. She's conscious breathing. All right. So, and it's your leg. Okay. So, do we have any witnesses? Okay. You are the person that was dealing with. So, what happened?
And I was there because I'm taking a seat.
Okay. So, what happened? And do you have an ID? I'll get that in there. So please, just explain to me what happened. The best way you can.
The flight attendants informed me that the girl was drunk. She was in the restroom
And
throwing
which
up.
one do you know?
The youngest one, the little short
Not
one.
the one with the tattoos, but the other one, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So go ahead.
When they informed me that she was intoxicated, I had to call a GSC, which is my supervisor.
28.
He showed up. They started screaming. They were in the aircraft. I got asked to call you guys because they weren't leaving.
Okay.
She finally left the jet bridge. I was kind of following them out a little bit. I told him to retract the jet bridge. She turned around, got in my face, and said, "You fat." I said, "Thank you." She turned around, or when she was facing me, she pushed me.
Okay.
and then turned around, and then the sister came up and shoved me again, which I tripped over a Liz.
So both of them hit you?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I tripped, and then my shoe, and I fell on the ground.
Okay.
It was the short, skinny one first that pushed me, and then the bigger, her sister pushed me right after.
Okay. And it was all stemmed from the facts of you were saying that they were drunk on the plane, or somebody said
I didn't even say anything to them.
Okay, so what was the whole thing that happened in
They
the
were
plane?
intoxicated.
Okay, and who approached them about the
I
intoxication?
called DSC. I talked to them to put her outside because she was already at the door. I was saying, I'm not talking to you. Because I told them that we are intoxicated and they start screaming, right? She did. Screaming, saying so, fighting with me. Then she went inside the aircraft. She didn't want to get out of the aircraft. She was sitting down again. We have to come out. She was like,
called her sister, and her sister was sitting in the back, and then her sister ran forward, and then they both started yelling at everybody.
Who's seen the girl push her?
I did. I saw both of them push her.
Are you willing to write a statement?
I am.
Okay, do you have your ID with you?
My dad.
ID, badge, either?
He doesn't matter.
What's going on?
My dad.
I guess the office coming. She said,
I don't care. I don't care. Right to, no, it doesn't matter in Florida. My dad, I'm not trying to do anything. My dad works in New Jersey. He's for the state PBA. Yes, like I promised you, I graduate tomorrow. School, like college.
what's going on?
The guy Jose pushed her and said like you have to
Who's
go.
Jose? He's a spirit?
Yeah, no, Frontier.
Frontier?
And I'm psychology. Like I understand.
Okay, no, doesn't matter. Yeah, don't
understand, but
relax.
let's just relax.
You guys, what are you
We're
guys
not going home tonight. We're gonna relax.
So he went to the gate to talk to you. Who's it?
Yes, she had a few
I
drinks.
don't know
Because
his
clearly,
name.
I could
Yes.
see it for
Yes,
myself.
I tried to go back to my seat.
So right now, like, they're saying
I
we're
can start
having...
from the unlawful.
Because
I don't know if
originally,
you know,
we got here because
and the
she
side
was...
effect is that
the word was she was refusing
You
to
know,
leave the
they
aircraft.
went up to her and they're like, "Are you intoxicated?" And she goes, "Yeah, I had drinks." So she admitted that she was.
So listen, the thing is that...
Because she gets anxiety.
Yeah, so every airline is different, right? So airlines are private entities, so they have their free will that they can
I
decide whether
understand
you want to
that.
fly or not, right? It's a security risk, right?
definitely.
So let's say if she's intoxicated, they don't know if she might create a disturbance or anything around the aircraft, so that's why they decided to get her out the aircraft.
Yeah.
Okay?
But what about Jose pushing her?
Yeah, that's why he's trying to get the information from Jose, trying to see what actually happened.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
To go home.
But right now, we're really
And then the
appreciating
other
that.
girl fell. After Jose pushed her, the other girl fell. And she's like, "Oh, I got hurt."
What other girl?
The other flight attendant, I didn't get her name. But I was like, "Are you kidding me?" I watched her fake it and fall down. Like, "Oh, my wrist."
yeah.
I was like, "Are you kidding? She don't fight."
So just try to keep her calm like she is now.
Yeah. No,
So
just
we can try to
stay
see what's
calm.
going on.
Just
Right now,
stay
like I
calm.
said, medical is coming to check up on her since she's intoxicated.
And they're like,
'Cause
Yeah.
right now, since
Well, yeah, obviously
since
she
they
had
got
drinks.
y'all-
She gets nerve anxiety. She's obviously gonna have a couple of drinks to go fly, you know.
Yeah, the thing is that you can have a couple of drinks, but once you start getting
I
like a little bit
literally-
rowdy or whatever, they
she
can
did
decide.
it.
No, I'm not saying. I'm
That's
just saying,
the thing.
once they can see it, it's visible or anything like that, they're not going to risk anything. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying?
So, I'm trying to understand this.
yes.
So
No, I
you're on-
totally understand.
you're
My
on the
boyfriend's
plane.
literally going to a state trooper right now in New Jersey.
I got you. So
Yes.
you're on the plane.
Yes.
You have to go to the bathroom.
Yes.
You go to the bathroom. They stop you. They
Yes.
say you need to be escorted to the bathroom.
Yes. They
What happened
they
from
sent
there?
me escorted off the bathroom. And I graduate Stockton University literally tomorrow. And I'm like I
You
got
so you need to be escorted out of the bathroom.
yes.
So
Yes,
you're
sir.
already inside.
Yes.
Okay. So
And soon as but they didn't bother me when I was in the bathroom.
okay. So then what happened?
So I went out and I was like, okay, I'm gonna do some scene. They're like, oh, you need to go out the bathroom. And I was like, what? Like, why? And I was like, okay, like, that's, like, whatever. And then, like, I don't give any, my boy, literally, like, when I tell you that my boyfriend is
I
a state trooper,
I
and that
understand.
my boyfriend had literally, like, been with him for 5 years.
I understand.
He took state trooper, they begged me to take Stafford test, which is the
I
township.
got you. I'm focused on what happened with the pushing and the
So-
disturbance.
So I was like, okay, like I'm just gonna go to to my seat because I'm like, this makes no sense. Like I'm literally not trying to give anyone. Like yes, I had a
Okay.
couple drinks, but like I'm not trying to give anyone any type of harm.
Okay.
Type of thing. Plus, like, my whole family has been law enforcement. Like, that's my oldest sister. We're 5. There's my brother's a law enforcement officer. My dad works for the state PBA, which is the police beneficial.
I need to please stay on track.
Okay.
I understand your family's law enforcement.
Okay.
I appreciate them very much.
Yeah.
I need you to stay on track with me and just walk
Tell
me
you
step to step. What happened? Why were you pushed? What was the escalation?
So, I went to the bathroom and they're like, no, you can't get back in your seat. And I was like, why can't I get back in my seat? Like, I don't understand. Like, I'm not, like, because I had a couple drinks and I'm just say, like, whatever.
Okay.
Like,
Did they say that to you? Like, you're drunk or whatever?
Yes.
Okay.
No, they didn't say I was drunk. They were like, you have to get off. And I was like, I don't understand why I'm getting off. Like, I have graduation, like, I'm graduating forensic psychology.
I understand. So they're telling you've been drinking, you need to get off the plane.
Yes.
What happened next?
The next day I was like, no, like, I'm fine, like, I'm good, like, I'm not gonna get sick or anything. Then he pushed me.
He pushed you?
Yes.
How?
He pushed me, like, I was like, so I'm coming off the plane. I'm just gonna reenact it, like, he was like, no, you have to get off the plane.
To your chest?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and so he assaulted me in that way. And I was like, no, especially because it's my boobs, so, like, I can go further that way if you would want me to.
Okay. Are you guys? Did you guys witness everything?
They weren't there. I know exactly who it was on that plane.
Okay. So what do you guys need? Or you just?
I need her boarding pass.
Okay.
Yeah, to write a whole report.
Okay.
What happened and all that.
Okay, do you? Yeah, I can get it for you.
Okay, relax.
The thing. I'm relaxed. I'm good.
It's fine. If it works, we'll stay another night here and we'll fly home tomorrow to different places.
It just sucks that.
She's saying it happened on the jet bridge. Okay. Did it happen on the jet bridge?
Yes.
So it didn't happen on the plane?
No.
So we followed you.
With the jet bridge? No, so I went to the bathroom and then I came off and they're like, you can't get on the plane. And I was like, okay, like, why can't I get on the plane? Like, I'm fine. Like,
This announcement's from
I was drunk. I'd be like, okay, I don't want to fly. Like, obviously, like, I already have anxiety.
Okay.
They didn't even ask me if I had a couple
What I'm trying to figure out was if it was like him trying to guide you guys out the plane,
No.
That's
or
my
he
next
intentionally
question.
pushed you guys.
No, it
Which one of the
was
two?
to my boobs.
Okay.
Yes. To be one. I'm sorry because I understand.
So did he push you with the intent to hurt you? With ill intent?
He was just trying to get us off, out as fast as possible.
He was just trying to get you guys out.
Out as
That's
fast
what
as
got me
possible.
fired up.
Okay.
Put my hands on my sister.
So, at any point during the flight, did anybody put hands on the girls at any point? It was just verbal, and you was telling them to come off.
You guys need to go home. They know we're gonna call the car. Oh, okay, call the car. And they went back to sit down.
And they was willing to come off. You know what I'm saying? Once they got in the jet bridge, at that point they was willing to come off.
Yeah, because I don't know what person they're telling me. We heard she said, "Come on, let's go."
So they willingly came off. She walked through the jet bridge, and then the younger girl pushed her down.
And the big one pushed her again.
So both of them pushed her at the same time,
And she
or
fell
what?
off, and that's why I went in the middle for them just to.
So both of them put their hands at the same time on her. Okay. So both of them would be going to jail because you're willing to write a statement.
Yeah, and the fact
And
that
then I got another witness saying the same thing. So the thing is, Teresa stated that we need to get them medically cleared before we even go that direction.
You want to? She good?
Yes, she's good.
Thank you all. Appreciate it. Alright, you want to put your phone away?
Okay. Do I have a copy of the report as well?
In a second, okay?
Okay.
Your cousin, Michael. Alright, you're being detained right now, okay?
I am detained. Why am I detained?
I'll let you know in a second.
Why am I detained?
Nikki, out on.
All right, we'll get everything from them later.
Can I tell them, or can you tell them at least?
No, let's go over here real quick. We have to talk.
Yeah. Whatever you guys need.
Okay. Okay, cool.
Is she gonna be able to carry them all though? No. Yeah. Can I come back to carry them?
Okay. Why is she being handcuffed and detained?
Listen, relax. Okay. Right now, she is being handcuffed.
Right. No, I
Why
see
are you
that.
handcuffing her?
Listen.
Relax.
Dispense with that person that is injured right now.
Yeah, it was the girl that faked it. That's all.
There's other people. There's witnesses saying
Yeah, all them.
that it was you guys that pushed her. Okay?
What?
No. Okay.
Right now, this is
You were not handcuffing my sister. I'm calling you.
No. Okay, wait a minute. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'm calling Stuart. I'm calling Stuart. I'm
No,
not
settle
leaving
down.
her.
Stop.
I'm
Stop.
not
Stop.
leaving
Stop.
her.
Stop.
I'm
Stop.
not leaving her. Are you kidding me?
Stop.
More.
Are you kidding me?
Be cool. Here.
Ma'am.
Give me your phone.
Back up.
Give me your
Back
phone.
up.
Take a breath.
Back up.
I'm sorry.
Thank you. Stay like that. Stay cool. Thank you. Just stay cool.
Can you answer that phone call?
Yes, we'll get all the information from your parents. We'll let them know. Okay?
Thank you.
Okay. More. Take a breath.
Stand up.
Hey, stop.
More.
You were doing
You don't
good.
need more.
All right, let's
you
go.
don't need more.
Let's go.
All right. I'm gonna take it.
Go Stuart. Go Stuart.
Let's go.
Are you freaking kidding me? I'm not supposed to say anything.
I can
Why
help
am
her.
I getting arrested?
We'll call someone to help her, like, reel it out.
Why am I getting arrested? You can't tell me why?
Here.
So they're stating that it wasn't just, it was willfully on that person.
Okay.
And it's not, we're not only getting word from her, there's other two other witnesses saying this.
Okay, the ones that have the video. My phone, you can open it up and look at it. You can go through my phone. So fucking bad. Can you please take my coats off when it's in the car?
No. Can't do that. I'm sorry.
I'm not a criminal.
I understand that.
I'm not
You get searched already?
Please search me. Take these off. I don't want them on.
Please relax.
No, I can't. I don't want these on. You two, I'm trying to be cool with you, but can you please take the cuffs off?
Okay, your sister's gonna be here with
The sooner you get us through this, the sooner it will come off. We need you to relax. Your sister's here. You guys are going to go together. What I need to ask from you is, do you have anything else on your person? We're going to search you, okay?
Search me.
Yeah, we'll have
Search me. I don't care. Just
Oh, yeah,
take
she's
these
here.
cuffs off.
I need you to just relax.
Is there cameras in the flight plane? Like, is there cameras there? Did you guys lately just look at them? Why are these on me? Why are these on me? Can you please take them off? Please, I'm a hairdresser. I work right now.
Laura, it's fine. You're fine.
Hey, just step out.
What are you doing?
Here, face her.
Do you have anything on you?
No, I don't, ma'am. Why did I do this? It's my sin.
Laura, it's fine. Just put her in the car. It's fine. We're fine. We'll just get along.
They're gonna take them.
Nicotine, no, right?
It's
Nicotine. Zin pouches?
Nicotine, no, right?
Probably not.
No nicotine?
Whatever, take them on. I don't freaking care.
If you want, you can try to get it to the honor. I'd like to.
Okay, yeah, I can give
Are
it
you
to her.
going up there?
Yeah, I'm going to go back with her and see.
Those are the, you can take
help her
those.
with the bags.
We don't have her ID though, because it's in the bag.
Where's your ID?
It's in the bags that are up there.
Did anyone
There's a
take
picture
photos
of
of her
it.
ID?
I sent him
Yes.
photos of it.
Why are we getting arrested? My sister was assaulted.
Do you have video?
You know, I have a video of him yelling at us with the girl pretending she freaking broke her wrist.
We'll sit in.
I'm not worried.
Okay, I'm not worried either because we didn't do anything wrong.
Why don't you just tell them one more time what happened?
Guys, so
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you guys, explain to you guys the reason why you guys are handcuffed again, okay? So clearly, it seems like you guys had a couple of drinks. Okay, that's normal. Whatever, they were trying to get you guys out of the
This
airplane.
hurts. This
Whatever, a
hurts.
disturbance happened. Right now, the female there's a female that has an injury.
I told you guys about her.
Okay, listen.
So
Yes.
take these off.
Okay, listen.
Take these off of me.
There's a female stating you guys pushed. Are you gonna let me explain?
Yeah, I'm going my lawyer.
That's all right. You know.
I want these off. I want these off. They're hurting me.
How is it hurting?
They're really hurting me. I want them off.
Okay, listen.
I want them off.
If you keep on moving, they're gonna keep on hurting.
No, they are cutting into my wrist.
They are.
Take them off.
Don't make it
Take
difficult.
them off.
No, they are.
Yeah, bro. If you want to come through, you can come to the car here. If you want to.
Like my one is probably.
So you're the only one who listens and
Cuffs
don't
are
tell
not
you
meant to
you
be
can talk.
comfortable.
No.
I shouldn't be cuffed right now.
Okay.
When you
You
go
guys
to
are done.
jail, they're
You're
going
done.
to say book and you don't want that. Okay?
Well, I mean,
So don't yell. We only doing
We're
our
not
job.
even doing
We
anything.
only doing our job. So don't
I know,
make it difficult.
Yeah, and we're from a cop family. We know.
Ma'am, I do have to say my left arm is
It's
really
really hurting.
Check for her.
Yeah, can
Yeah,
you
check
that?
mine.
Okay.
There's
They hurt so bad.
Yeah, listen.
my right is fine. My left.
They hurt.
My right
They
is fine.
hurt. I shouldn't be arrested. What did I
That's
do?
why I asked
What
you
did
to
I
come
do?
sideways.
But what did I do?
Come sideways.
But I want to know what I did to be
You want
in
to come
here.
sideways this way?
But what did I do? But what did I do?
Did I have to explain to you? Did he
No.
explain to you? Okay, you're not listening. That's why I asked you.
Yeah,
to
he said
listen.
because a girl fell, and I said that in my thing
Yes,
too.
there's 2 other witnesses stating that you guys were the
Yeah,
one that pushed
it
her.
was the ones on the plane that were working
Okay.
with them. So obviously they're gonna have each other's back. They work together.
How about this? Whatever happened only happened.
Well,
Save
I'm
your
not
energy
arrested.
to argue in court. Okay? Alright?
Wait, I'm just
Because if you get yelling, this is gonna make it difficult for you.
No. I'm just
okay?
asking for me, ma'am.
Alright.
You're fine. Ma'am.
What's up?
Ma'am, I'm asking you a question.
To truly comprehend the catastrophic unraveling of these 2 sisters, we must first contextualize the unique legal and psychological environment of commercial aviation. The interior of an airplane is not a democracy. It is a dictatorship run by the captain, with flight attendants serving as the enforcers of federal safety regulations. The section has a long name, and I don't want to confuse you by saying it, so under the relevant section, it is a violation of federal law for an airline to allow a passenger who appears to be intoxicated to board the aircraft. This is not a judgment call based on morality, it is a safety mandate. In the event of an emergency evacuation, an impaired passenger becomes a lethal liability to themselves and everyone around them. Therefore, when the crew determined the sisters were unfit to fly, the legal door slammed shut. There was no negotiation to be had. However, the sisters' inability to accept this binary reality is what transforms a civil inconvenience into a criminal record. They operate under the customer service delusion, believing that if they argue loudly enough, the federal regulations will bend to their will. The younger sister's behavior provides a fascinating case study in vicarious authority. Throughout the interaction, she attempts to shield herself with the badges of other men. She lists her resume of connections. Her father works for the PBA, Police Benevolent Association. In New Jersey, her brother is a law enforcement officer, and her boyfriend is a state trooper of 5 years. She wields these relationships like a talisman, expecting the Orlando police officers to recognize her as one of them and grant her blue line privilege. This is a profound miscalculation of modern policing culture. In 2025, with body cameras rolling and public scrutiny at an all-time high, officers are hyper-vigilant about the appearance of corruption or favoritism. When a suspect screams, "My dad is a cop," it doesn't garner sympathy, it garners contempt. It signals to the arresting officer that the suspect knows the rules but believes they are above them. It is particularly ironic coming from a woman who claims to be graduating with a degree in forensic science. She is entering a field adjacent to law enforcement, yet she demonstrates a total lack of respect for the investigative process or the officers conducting it. She is failing the practical exam of her own major in real time. Let's analyze the pivotal moment on the jet bridge. The sisters claim that the male flight attendant, Jose, assaulted them. Specifically, the younger sister alleges he pushed her to the boobs and did so because he was gay. This accusation is a desperate, ugly attempt to invert the victim dynamics. By introducing a homophobic trope that a gay man would be physically aggressive toward a woman out of misogyny or spite, she is trying to weaponize identity politics to discredit the witness. However, forensic logic dismantles her story immediately. Flight attendants are trained in de-escalation. Their primary goal is to get the plane in the air, not to start brawls on the jetway. Furthermore, the physical evidence contradicts her. The officers note scratches on the flight attendant's arm. In a close-quarters struggle, scratches are defensive wounds or signs of an aggressor using fingernails, assaultive behavior consistent with the sister's erratic state, not the flight attendant's professional demeanor. The officers conduct a field interview with independent witnesses, other passengers and crew, who corroborate that the sisters were the aggressors. This is the essence of probable cause. The police don't need a 4K video of the punch. They need a preponderance of evidence, and the scratched arm combined with independent testimony seals the sister's fate. The involvement of alcohol acts as a volatile accelerant here. The younger sister admits repeatedly to having a few drinks. She minimizes it, claiming she is fine, but her motor skills, her cyclical arguments, and her emotional volatility tell a different story. Alcohol creates a phenomenon known as myopia, where the drinker focuses intensely on immediate, short-term grievances, being kicked off the plane, while becoming blind to long-term consequences: arrest, criminal record, missing graduation. She cannot see past the jet bridge. She cannot process that her belligerence is destroying the very future she keeps screaming about. When she yells, "I graduate tomorrow," she is expressing a cognitive dissonance. She believes her status as a student and a good girl should override her current actions as a battery suspect. The law, however, judges conduct, not potential. You can have a 4.0 GPA and still catch a felony charge if you scratch a flight attendant. As the arrest proceeds, we witness the weaponization of medical distress. The younger sister cycles through a Rolodex of ailments: anxiety, depression, I can't breathe, my arm hurts. We see this tactic constantly in bodycam footage. It is an attempt to change the venue of the interaction from a legal one, police versus suspect, to a medical one, doctor versus patient. She hopes that by claiming anxiety, the officers will stop acting like enforcers and start acting like caregivers. While mental health issues are real, they do not grant immunity from arrest for violent crimes. The officers acknowledge her complaints, call medical services to cover their liability, but they do not stop the arrest. When the medical angle fails to secure her release, she reverts to physical resistance, going dead weight, refusing to walk, and thrashing in the handcuffs. This passive-active resistance is the last refuge of the powerless. She creates a scene to punish the officers, forcing them to drag her, hoping the optics will look bad enough to make them hesitate. But the officers are professionals. They know that gravity is not a legal defense. The tragedy of this video lies in the sheer preventability of it all. These women had multiple off-ramps. They could have accepted the rebooking. They could have walked away from the jet bridge. They could have remained silent when the police arrived. Instead, they chose to escalate at every single turn. They prioritized their ego over their freedom. The younger sister's frantic realization at the end, asking if she can change her shirt because she doesn't want a sloppy Joe mugshot, is the final pathetic whimper of a narcissist crashing into reality. She is about to be booked into the Orange County Jail for battery, a crime of violence that will likely bar her from the very forensic science career she spent 4 years studying for, and her primary concern is her outfit. It perfectly encapsulates the superficiality and lack of accountability that landed her in handcuffs in the first place. They wanted to fly the friendly skies, but due to their own actions, they were grounded by the heavy hand of the law.